Ever dreamt of electric? Unveiling the cheapest Tesla. Have you ever been stuck at a gas pump, fuming about rising fuel costs and the environmental impact, and wished there was a better option? Well, the sleek and futuristic world of electric vehicles might have just crossed your mind. Maybe, specifically, a Tesla. But let's be honest, Teslas have a reputation for being luxury cars, with a price tag to match. So, the question burns, can you even dream of affording a Tesla on a non-millionaire budget? The answer? It depends. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of getting the most electric car for your buck. First things first, understanding Tesla's model lineup is key. Think of it like a spectrum. On one end, you've got the mightily impressive Cybertruck, a stainless steel behemoth that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi flick. On the other end, you've got the more compact Model 3, their entry-level sedan. This is typically where the cheapest Tesla conversations begin. Now, let's talk about that price tag. Tesla is known for not offering many discounts or haggling opportunities, so the advertised price is usually what you'll pay. Here's the catch, Tesla occasionally adjusts their pricing. So, the number I give you today might change slightly depending on when you're watching this video. But, to give you a ballpark, the Model 3 currently starts around $46,000 for the base trim level. That's a significant chunk of change, but it's a starting point. Let's explore some ways to bring down that cost. First, consider a pre-owned Tesla. The magic of depreciation can work in your favor. A slightly used Model 3 can shave off several $1,000s compared to a brand new one. Websites like Tesla's pre-owned inventory or reputable used car sites can be a good starting point. There are also risks, so be sure to get a pre-purchase inspection to avoid any hidden surprises. Another strategy is Tesla's certified pre-owned program. These cars go through a rigorous inspection by Tesla themselves and come with a warranty. The peace of mind can be worth a slight premium over a standard used car. Think outside the box. Tesla occasionally offers loaner programs or slightly used demo vehicles at their showrooms. These can be another avenue to snag a Tesla at a slightly reduced price. Keep an eye on their website or contact your local Tesla showroom to see if they have any deals. But wait, there's more. Government incentives can play a huge role in bringing down the overall cost of ownership. Federal and state tax credits can offer substantial savings depending on your location. Do your research. The U.S. federal tax credit currently sits at $7,500, but that can change, so be sure to check the latest information. Some states offer additional incentives on top of that, making a Tesla even more affordable. Here's a word of caution, these credits can be complex and have eligibility requirements. Make sure you understand the terms before you factor them into your budget. Okay, so you found a Tesla that fits your budget. But wait, haven't we forgotten something? There's the cost of electricity to consider. While it's generally cheaper to charge an electric car than to fill up a gas tank, it's not free. The exact cost will depend on your electricity rates and how much you drive. Here's the good news, Tesla offers a network of superchargers, their high-speed DC fast charging stations, across the country. These can top up your battery quickly on long road trips. However, supercharger usage comes with additional fees compared to charging at home. So, the dream of owning a Tesla on a budget? It's achievable, but it requires research and planning. By considering pre-owned options, leveraging government incentives, and factoring in charging costs, you can make that electric dream a reality. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.